love it when I turn off the bass.
Gotta fuck. Yes, I can use that. What's this?
I'm latching that door, by the way. I can do the call space.
Oh, a shortcut? Yes, yes, yes. Please fit in that lock. Please. Can I get through there?
Hell yeah.
Good.
Another face layer is open. It didn't lock front door.
You ain't have time to, that's what it is.
That's got me though. Just shoulder charge both of them. Side door is locked.
There's a trap there. There's a trap there.
Yeah, I peeped.
I can't move. Hello?
Front door is like mad close to being unlocked.
Alright, I guess Hitchhiker's chasing me into the basement.
Love face upstairs, cook is too.
Oh no. Did they hear me?
Almost had the great escape out the front door.
I got fused. Gotta find where the box is.
Ground floors. Or level 1.
What do we have here?
I'll go.
Wait.
I can go stab Grandpa to get in case they have what's it called?
I have Cook out front.
Can I get
Well, on the side.
here?
Get my points real quick.
Love
He
face
can. He's
upstairs.
on.
I got Cook and Hitch out here.
I think he's on PlayStation.
I got Cook and Hitch out here.
Good shit. Oh, I gotta get a bone scrap. Here, I'm about to have fuse open.
Where's this go?
Bro, I got the whole squad chasing me right now.
Fuse is about to be open. Get ready.
The only thing that sucks about Fuse is I don't have my barge.
What is this?
You good?
Leatherface is downstairs.
Yeah, I think he might have gave up.
Is he in the basement? Type
Yeah,
shit.
he's not moving though.
Shit. Quiet.
Be quiet.
Yep, there he goes.
Shit. Let me see if I can
There he
do
goes.
loud, Everybody know where Bob at?
I think it might be inside Garden. I didn't see it in the back. Could be wrong now.
Yeah, click this DC. Valve's in the back. I'm about to turn Valve on.
Got him.
He's about to close. Fuse is about to close.
Okay.
Connie, pop this door or something.
Got it.
Right, pop that one, pop that one.
Leave me
Good,
alone.
I got you. Good, I got you. You got that door
Got
yet?
it. Yep.
Alright, good.
Quiet.
Well, let's go.
I gotta stay
Door slammed down.
Oh, Leatherface is coming from the backyard.
Pressure valve's about to be gone. Hey.
Turn the basement back on.
Are you out of your mind?
Hey, get off my ladies, dog. What's wrong with you, boy?
Yeah. Yeah.
These my girls.
Hey, yo. Yo.
This guy's my friend.
Hey, yo, it's stupid that was. Yo. You opened every shit, huh?
I have to look down. Be careful.
See if I can make it to basement.
Wait, fuse closed, right? Or opened it again. That's tough.
Hey, and I got a lot of points.
Bro, your cook chasing me outside for like 20 minutes and quit. Chase me forever and then quit, bro.
I'm not hacking. Hacking is bad.
I just see you juke the fuck out that, what do you call it? It's a hitchhiker, bro. It's just crazy.